Good morning, students. We are going to discuss about the question answers of the chapter first, that is about the chemical reactions and equations. So, very first question answers is, why is respiration considered as exothermic process? Respiration is exothermic because in it heat energy is released. On what basis is a chemical equation balanced? When the number of atoms on reactant side is equal to number of atoms on product side. What happens chemically when quicklime is added to water filled in bucket? Then quicklime added to water filled in then quicklime is calcium oxide, that is lime. When it is added to water, then it converts into slaked lime. That is an exothermic process. Heat energy is released. Why should magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? Because some amount of impurities of magnesium oxides are present. Magnesium oxides and hydroxide are present due to presence of moisture. State whether the following statement is true or false. A chemical equation can be balanced easily by altering the formula. No, false. What is wrong with the equation? That is, oxygen is wrong. That here O is found in O2. So the correct form is Mg plus O2. Here 2 is below, then it will form the MgO. The correct equation is 2Mg plus O2 will form 2MgO. What does the symbol AQ? AQ represents the aqueous solution, which shows that the dissolving of any substance in water. Why is photosynthesis considered as endothermic reaction? Because heat energy is absorbed. How will you indicate the following changes effects in the chemical equation? A solution made in water, that is aqueous, exothermic, that is the heat released, लिख लीजिए, या delta H negative. I have given you the value. Delta H is heat change, that is delta H value negative means exothermic, delta H positive means endothermic. Translate the following statements into chemical equation. Hydrogen sulfide burns in air to give water and sulfur dioxide. H2S plus O2 will form H2O plus SO2. So complete and balance it. If any problem, you can ask me. Phosphorus burns in oxygen to form phosphorus pentoxide. Phosphorus found in P4. In P4 form, P4 plus O2 will form P2O5. Carbon disulfide burns in air to form carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, CS2. Carbon disulfide is CS2 plus O2 will form CO2 plus SO2. Aluminium metal replaces iron from ferric oxide, Fe2O3. That is aluminium Al plus Fe2O3 will form Al2O3 plus Fe. BaCl2, next is barium chloride, BaCl2, zinc sulfate ZnSO4 will form zinc chloride ZnCl2 and barium sulfate, that is BaSO4. Write the balanced chemical equation for the chemical equations. CaOH twice plus CO2 will form CaCO3 plus H2O. Al plus CuCl2 will form AlCl3 plus copper. Next is complete and balance the following equations. NaOH plus H2SO4 will form Na2SO4 plus H2O. CaOH twice plus CO2, CaCO3 plus H2O. Correct and balance Ca plus H2O. यहाँ तक ठीक है. यहाँ आएगा CaOH twice, that is calcium hydroxide, and here it is H2, that is hydrogen gas. Here N2 plus 3H2. H2 is hydrogen gas. N2 plus 3H2 will form 2NH3. Calcium plus water will form calcium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. This is this equation. Sulfur dioxide SO2, oxygen O2 will form sulfur trioxide SO3. Balance the following chemical equations. These are for you. If any doubt, if any problem occurs in any balancing, you can ask me. Fill in the blanks using stable words. chemical equations are balanced to satisfy the law of conservation of mass. A solution made in water is known as aqueous solution and indicated by symbol AQ. Give the example of chemical equation, that is any equation you can write. C plus O2 will form CO2. State the characteristics of chemical reaction when HCl is poured in zinc granule, that is the evolution of gas. Give two characteristics of chemical equation on adding potassium iodide to lead nitrate, that is change in color and formation of precipitate. What is the chemical equation? The short representation of reaction using symbol and formulae. Giving examples, state the difference between balanced and unbalanced. In balanced, all the atoms on both sides are same, but in unbalanced they are different. To balance this, 2NH3 will form N2 plus 3H2. C plus CO2 will form CO2, CO will formed. When hydrogen is passed over copper oxide, copper and steam, write the balanced equation for the reaction and state for which chemicals are. There are hydrogen gas, that is the H2 is molecule, compound, copper oxide, compound, copper element or metal. Okay, so this is about these types. What are the various ways in which a chemical equation can be more informative? That is by writing solid, liquid, gas, precipitate, downward arrow and aqueous solutions. Write a balanced chemical equation, that is calcium hydroxide reacts with CO2 to form CaCO3 plus water. Balanced chemical equation in which number of atoms are balanced. Aluminium burns in chlorine to form AlCl3. The equation will become Al plus Cl2 will form AlCl3. So complete equation is 2Al plus 3Cl2 will form 2AlCl3. Potassium metal reacts with water to form K plus water will form KOH plus H2. How physical states of reactants can be shown in chemical equation? That is the solid, liquid and gas. Solid by S, liquids by L, gases by G or upward arrow. Balance the chemical equation, Zn plus 2HCl, the rest is balanced. Again the balanced chemical equation for FeSO4 plus NaOH will form FeOH thrice plus FeOH twice plus Na2SO4. Write any two properties in activity which may suggest that chemical reaction has taken place. Any two observations, that is formation of precipitate, change in color, evolution of gas, change in temperature. Aluminium hydroxide AlOH thrice plus sulfuric acid H2SO4 will form Al2SO4 thrice plus water. Again balancing the chemical equations. Magnesium carbonate MgCO3 plus HCl will form MgCl2 plus CO2 and water. Carbon monoxide reacts with hydrogen to form methanol, that is CO plus H2 will form CH3OH. Complete the balancing equation. Potassium chlorate on heating form KCl, potassium chloride and oxygen. Again balancing is there. All the questions are belongs to balancings. I think you can very easily do the balancings. Ammonia reacts with oxygen to form nitrogen and water. Write the balanced chemical equation. All the balancings are there. If any problem you can give the question. I will give you the balanced equation. Write a balanced chemical equation for the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, CO2 plus H2O. 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O will form C6H12O6 plus 6O2. When potassium nitrate is heated, it decomposes into potassium nitrite and oxygen. Again K2NO3 will form KNO3 plus oxygen. Next is again the last parts of the question answers. What type of reaction is represented by digestion of food? That is the oxidation reaction. Name the various types of chemical reaction, that is combination, decomposition, displacement and redox. Why does color of copper sulfate changes when iron nail? That is the single displacement reaction. Write the balanced chemical equation. Zinc plus silver nitrate will form zinc nitrate plus silver. Which term is used to indicate the development of unpleasant smell? That is the rancidity. What is the general name of chemicals which are added to prevent the development of rancidity? That is the BHA, BHT. State the important use of decomposition reactions used to prepare many chemicals like sodium hydroxide, like hydrogen gas, chlorine gas, etc. What are antioxidants which are used to stop the oxidation? Why they are added to fat and oil? Because fat and oil easily gets oxidized. Explain why food products containing fats and oils are packaged in nitrogen. Because on packing with nitrogen, the oxygen is absent, which prevents from oxidation. Give one example of decomposition of reaction carried out by electricity. That is the photolytic, that is electrolytic decomposition of sodium chloride NaCl. By applying heat, that is calcium carbonate CaCO3 on heating will give CaO plus CO2. What type of chemical reaction is used to extract metals from their natural occurring compounds? What are the chemical reactions used to extract metals from their natural occurring compounds like chlorides or oxides? That is that single displacement reaction. Name two antioxidants which are used added, that is the BHA and BHT. Write one equation for decomposition reaction. Heat, that is the calcium carbonate. Light, that is the AgCl. In presence of sunlight will form Ag plus Cl या Ag plus Br. Electricity, that is the electrolysis of NaCl, molten NaCl. In refining of silver or recovery of silver from silver nitrate occurs displacement reaction by copper metal. Then the answer is AgNO3 plus Cu will form CuNO3 twice plus Ag. Which type of reactions are there? First is the thermal decomposition. Second is the combination. Third one is the thermal decomposition. Fourth one is again decomposition. Fifth one is combination. Which type of chemical reactions takes place when magnesium wire is burnt? That is the combination. Limestone is heated, thermal decomposition. Silver bromide exposed to sunlight, that is the photolytic decomposition. Electricity passed through water, that is the electrolytic decomposition. Ammonia and hydrogen chloride as mixed, that is the combination. 17th, A single displacement, B combination, C decomposition. 4th, double displacement. 5th, single displacement. 18th question, balance the following chemical equation. Easy, you can write the balancing. Which of the following is a combination reaction and which is a displacement? First is a displacement and second is combination. What type of reactions are represented by following? First, combination. Second is the you can say displacement. Third, single displacement. Fourth, that is the decomposition. Fifth, double displacement. In the following reaction between lead sulfide and hydrogen peroxide, which substance is getting reduced? Here Pb is having addition of oxygen. PbS is having addition of oxygen, so it is oxidized, its oxidation will occur, and uh, it is oxidized. PBS is oxidized. Identify the component oxidized which is having oxidation, that is from sulfur hydrogen is removed, that H2S is getting reduced and chlorine is getting addition. H2S is getting oxidized. Removal of hydrogen is called oxidation. SO2 is passed through this solution. Which of the following reaction will occurs? This following, which substance is getting oxidized? Here sulfur is getting reduced and H2 is getting oxidized. Next is the fill in the blanks. The addition of oxygen to a substance is known as oxidation, and removal of oxygen is known as reduction. The addition of hydrogen is called reduction and removal of hydrogen is called oxidation. Antioxidants are used to prevent rancidity. Rancidity. Spoilage. What is oxidation reaction? Oxidation is the addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. Here zinc is getting reduced, reduction is there. What is a redox reaction? In which reduction and oxidation both will occur. Why magnesium ribbon burns in air with dazzling flame? Because magnesium is highly reactive. When it combines in presence of oxygen, burns in presence of oxygen, it forms a dazzling flame. Magnesium is oxidized. Next is in which the reaction represents following. Name the substance oxidized. Oxidized is hydrogen, that is HCl is oxidized, and reducing agent is HCl. MnO2 is getting reduced and MnO2 acts as oxidizing agent. Next is the what is combination reaction? Define a combination reaction. Combination reaction when addition of two substances will occur is known as combination reaction. Give an example of combination reaction is also exothermic. Also exothermic is the example of C plus O2 will form CO2. Combination reaction which is endothermic, that is the photosynthesis. Give an example of oxidation reaction, that is Mg plus O2 will form MgO. Is oxidation exothermic or endothermic? Both. But generally exothermic. More reactions are with exothermic. How oxidation and reduction produce side by side? Because to every addition of any substance there must be removal of any substance. Hence they get side by side. What is the color of ferrous sulfate crystals? That is the green color. On heating, its water of crystallization removes and it gets converts into white color. Name the product formed on strongly heating. That is the anhydrous ferrous sulfate. That water is removed. What is decomposition? The breakdown of big substance into smaller substances, known as decomposition reaction. Zinc oxide reacts with carbon on heating to form zinc metal and carbon monoxide. That is ZnO plus C will form Zn plus CO2. Very easy, no balancing required. Name the oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Zinc oxide is the oxidizing agent. Name the combination reaction, that is Mg plus O2 will form MgO. Displacement reaction, you can say in the displacement reaction, that is MgO plus C, Mg plus CuO. Copper oxide will form MgO plus Cu. Differentiate between displacement and double displacement reaction. In displacement reaction, it is about the change of more reactive, but in double displacement, that is interchange of ions. What do you mean by precipitation reaction? When some solid substance gets settled down at the bottom. In terms of gain or loss of oxygen, oxidation is gain of oxygen, reduction is loss of oxygen. When copper powder is heated strongly in air, it forms copper oxide. Cu plus O2 will form CuO. Then 2Cu plus 1 O2 will form 2CuO. Gain of hydrogen is reduction and loss of hydrogen is oxidation. What is meant by displacement and double displacement? Easy, you can also write. What are the decomposition and opposite of combination reactions? Again, decomposition reaction. Explain the following facts in the form of balanced equation. When a strip of copper metal is placed in silver nitrate, the reaction become copper plus AgNO3 will form CuNO3 twice plus Ag. What happens when a piece of iron metal is placed in copper sulfate? Then iron sulfate plus copper will form. Write the balanced chemical equation. Barium chloride with sodium sulfate. Barium chloride BaCl2 plus Na2SO4 will form BaSO4 plus 2NaCl. Name the substance oxidized. That is hydrogen H2 is oxidized and copper oxide is reduced. Copper oxide is oxidizing agent and hydrogen is reducing agent. What happens when silver chloride is exposed to sunlight? It converts into Ag plus Cl2. What happens when zinc strip is dipped into copper sulfate? Then zinc sulfate plus copper will form. Okay, so this is all about the questions. If any doubt, you can again ask me. Thanks and